Okay. Setting up the, what do you call this? Patio or deck? Whatever you want to call this.
First
Patio furniture.
for this year. Spring.
Take off the covers. We actually left it here for the first time during winter.
Dapat hindi. But,
It started snowing before we could
Yeah.
bring it to the basement.
so wala nang time na ilagay sa basement. Iniwan na lang. Pero at least hindi naman siya nag... I'm worried that they're gonna stain. It's gonna stain but it's not. It's so hot. At least it's windy. Ito, hindi pa namin nagagamit eh. Merong ano to eh. Tawag dito. Parang fire ano.
It's,
Fireplace.
what do you call this?
Dapat lagyan natin ito ng cover.
It's got like a, what do you call this?
Fire.
Fire table? No.
Yeah, fire table. Whatever.
I don't know what it's called. But it's got like, you put a propane tank underneath. So it's good? Just to keep you warm when it gets colder.
Makes worse.
Really?
Anong ginagamit ng propane?
So you're not gonna set this one up, right?
Oh my god, it's not. No. That's the thing I don't like about this. You know what guys, kumitara kami. Gusto ko siyang palagyan ng ano, ng shade. Kaya lang wala
Most
akong
people like the sun.
budget. I don't like the sun. It's too sunny.
Hey, what's that? Jen, look.
Huh?
Is this your happy birthday for yourself?
No, that's for Isabel's birthday. Hanggang ngayon dyan pa rin. Ayan.
I thought we were gonna eat outside.
Ha? Are we?
Yeah.
Ang hangin mamaya. Doon din. Doon na sila kakain. Dito yung pagkain.
Okay.
Kung gusto din nila dito kumain, dito na rin kasi mahangin masyado. But you need to get that thing though, the cushion. O dito ko nilalagay yung pagkain. I don't know. I'm confused.
So what did you make for your what did you make for your food?
I made some chicken joy.
Oh wow.
Some chicken joy. And what else?
It's been a long time since you made some stuff for your birthday.
I made some Jollibee. Spaghetti.
You don't like cooking on your birthday, right?
I never like cooking anyways. No, I like cooking, but it's so stressful right now. So I don't wanna stress myself. That's why I'm just ordering food. May Jollibee, Pwede ka dito bakit natin? May burger steak, Jollibee. Tapos, ano to? Simple lang natin ang birthday kasi ayoko na masyadong ano to? Sa tempura sauce. May mga sushi. Yeah. Sushi.
Oh, it's from Edo.
Yeah, from Edo.
Ooh. That's some shrimp tempura. Shrimp tempura. Yes.
Ito pa. Ayan.
Okay.
Order lahat.
You have soy sauce for those?
Meron. Ayan. Tapos, ano to, family. Parang ano sila, for
Okay, why?
beef.
So why did you end up getting Jollibee and Edo?
Kasi,
That wasn't your first plan.
no, dapat order kami ng Filipino food. Kaya lang,
Where? From where?
hindi, huwag mo nang sabihin. Kaya lang, wala silang, kasi order lang talaga ako kung ano yung available. Kaya lang yung available na ano, wala akong, gusto ko ng kare-kare, wala silang kare-kare. So, sabi ko, iba na lang.
Wag na.
Wag na. So, ayan. So, ayan lang. Ayan lang ang handa natin.
Okay.
Ayan lang. Simple lang. Okay. Tempura. Kami tempura. Shrimp.
Okay.
Ayan.
Here we go. Okay, we got our first guests here.
First guest. Sir, only guest. Ay, bukas natin. Hello, Gia.
Hello.
Why? What's wrong? Did you just wake up?
Gising. Yeah.
Kaya gising lang.
Hey, his cheeks look back to normal. No, wait. Yeah. They look back to normal now. You must have eaten. Huh?
Ito yung tapong po yan.
Huh?
Ate, hindi ko binuksan yung
Sorry? Oh, the taco. Yeah. Oh, I've been waiting for this. Thank you. This is from Timo. Timu? What is it? Temu? Timu? How do you say it?
Timo.
It is a jump cue. Ooh, what are you cooking now?
Cooking. Never cook.
Remember, yung vlog mo, yung minuto?
Ayan, ano lang to. Pork bone soup. Lagyan mo si Gian sa ibabaw. Yan ang handa namin. Burger steak, tempura, spaghetti, mga sushi, mga teriyaki. Tsaka ito. Yung chicken nandito na. Ininit ko lang. Tsaka ito yung pork bone soup. Yan. Let's go eat! Yan, bisita natin. Hi! Hi, Gian! Hi, Gian!
I think that's where things moving.
The what?
What's his name?
Kain.
Brendan.
Ito yung mga in-order namin sa Temu.
Katulad to sa'yo, maliit lang kaso. Yung
Maganda yung mga quality sa Temu.
Yeah, I love it though. Oh.
Kasi birthday nitong batang to.
Ito yung popcorn mo.
Oh, yan.
Oh,
Carnival
magkatibo.
ang theme. Carnival. So, mayroong popcorn. Oh, ito cute oh. Ito yung mga pang prize. Asan yung ano nito?
Because I want to
Ito yung mga games na in-order namin. Yan. Maganda yung quality. In fairness.
Yep. Wait.
Timo, mura pa. Ay, ito yung ano.
Sino ko muna, te?
Uy, ang ganda. Kasi sa Amazon to, mas mahal to sa Amazon.
Yeah.
Uy, yung cute.
Kuya, sana yung sa'yo.
Pang
Kuya, gusto ko
price.
makita yun.
Price.
Gusto ko makita yun. Honestly.
Ang ganda, oh. To. Hello, Kitty.
Look at all the stuff for your birthday.
Even this one.
It's your birthday.
Isabel.
It is your birthday. Ito naman din, in-order din sa Timo yan. Ano yan, babe? What's that? A surprise. It's like a carnival. Ayan, it's nice.
Kulang ata.
Ilan ba kayo in-order mo? Kulang nga yan.
What is that?
Tingnan mo kung gaano kahaba doon sa
What is
fence.
that?
Carbon fiber, yeah.
Ano yan? Explain what's that.
Carbon fiber.
What is a carbon?
Jump cue.
So what? Is a cue? Full cue?
It's a jump cue, yeah.
O jump cue? From Timo. That's from Timo. Maganda ba yung quality?
Checking it out. Eagle King brand. Check it out.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
Bro, it's just like you never found me. Whoa.
I will
It's a three-piece jump cue. That.
Da da da. You're happy. Are you happy? Punta lang kami ng park. Punta kami dun sa park. Diyan lang. Yan yung park. Playground. What time is it now? It's... What time, Michaela? 7:05. It's 7:05. Liwanag pa rin. Parang 4 o'clock lang. morning guys! So today, andito kami ngayon sa Bowls Korean Barbecue for a special day today. It's my birthday! Yay! It's my 45th birthday today. So ito lang yung request ko. Korean. Korean food again.
Okay.
Walang kamatayang Korean food. Let's see kung anong order na ito. For sure, ito yung breaded squid legs. Favorite ko yan. The same thing that we're gonna order yung Valentine's Day. Meron silang combo. So ito yung mga combo nila. $65 for 2 people. Ayan yung in-order namin. Ito lang ulit yung order na. Ayan yung mga inclusions. Ito yung mga kasama sa combo A for 2 people. Yan. Korean again. Korean food again. Parang ito na lang yata na lagi namin kinakain sa mga special occasions. Say hi. Say hi.
Samida.
Ha? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Kasamida na. Thank you. That's thank you in Korean.
Is it?
Yeah. May isang batang hindi pumasok sa school. Late na kasi natulog. Sabi namin okay lang mag-skip na siya. Total birthday ko naman. Diba? Nagtatago. Hi Andre. Yung first na in-order namin breaded squid legs. Sobrang sarap nito guys. Yan. Yeah. Sarap. Tamang sarap. Super crunchy. Kami lang ang tao dito sa restaurant kasi maaga kami. 11 o'clock na open sila. So ito kasama to sa combo, dumpling at saka yung salad. Ito extra to. Ito pa included sa combo, tsaka itong soup.
What is
Ito yung mga side dishes. Masarap itong potato na to. Kimchi. Yan lang ang order namin. Guys, itong soup na to, ang pinaka-favorite namin Korean soup. Gamjatang, pork bone soup. Sobrang sarap. Actually, kaya kami nagpunta dito kasi kinikrave namin to. Kasi may mga ibang Korean restaurants dito na wala silang gamjatang. Sila meron. Masarap pa. Hello guys, it's my birthday today. I got a free drink sa Starbucks. First time kong nag-try na kumuha ng ganito. Actually, sabi kailangan mag-sign up ka ng rewards. So, tinry ko lang siya. Hindi naman kasi ako lagi nagsa-Starbucks. Pag nagkikrave lang minsan. Ito lagi in-order ko. Mocha cookie crumble. Lagi. Every time. Ito lang lagi. Bihira lang din kasi. So, nakalibre tayo. Yeah, any size sa birthday mo. Basta meron kayong
What size is that?
Starbucks reward app. Yan. Ha?
What size did you get?
The biggest one. Kaya mo, nalilito talaga ako sa mga sizes ng Starbucks kasi nga hindi ako lagi na order doon. So may 20 grande at saka ano yung pinakamalaki eh. Nalilito talaga ako. Tall. Tall yata yung pinakamaliit tapos grande and then 20. Is that right? So ayun. So ito pinakamalaki.